Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today the topic is California Big Reach Accident Attorney. So let's start it. Your ultimate guide to seeking justice. Starting from introductions, that California extensive network of highway and bustling transportation industry make it a hotspot for commercial truck accident. Big rig accident can be catastrophic, resulting in serious injuries and fatalities if you or a loved one has been involved in a big rig accident in California. It's crucial to understand your rights and seek legal representation from an experienced California big rig accident attorney. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the key aspect of big rig accidents. In California, and how an attorney can help you navigate the complex legal process to secure the compensation you deserve. Understanding big rig accident in California. Big rig accident involve large heavy trucks typically used for transporting goods. These accidents can happen for a variety of reasons, including the number one is driver fatigue. Long hours on the road can lead to driver fatigue, impairing a truck driver judgment and reaction time. The number second is speeding. Excessive speed can make it difficult for a big rig to stop in time to avoid collisions. Distracted driving. Truck driver may be distracted by their phones, radios, or other factors, increasing the risk of accident. The number fourth is poor maintenance. Neglected maintenance can lead to equipment failures such as brake or tire burst issues. The next one is inadequate training. Inexperienced or improperly trained driver may struggle to handle these massive vehicles. The number 6 is adverse weather conditions. Rain, fog, or snow can reduce visibility and traction, making accident more likely. The number 7 is overloaded trucks. Exceeding weight limit can lead to loss of control and accidents. Seeking legal representation. If you are being involved in big rig accident, it's critical to consult with a skilled California big rig accident attorney. They can offer essential support and guide you through the legal process. Here are how they can help you. The number one is investigations, and the next one is liability. The number third is calculating the damage. The number fourth is negotiation, and number five is litigations, and some unique California's law that are mentioned here, like compulsory fault, statute of limitations, viscous liability. So just started from the number one, which is investigation. Attorney can conduct a thorough investigation of accident, collecting evidence, interviewing witness, and analyzing police report to determine liability. Liability determinations identifying the responsible party is vital for filing a claims or lawsuit, whether it's the truck driver, trucking company, or another party. The number third is calculating damage. Your attorney will help assess the full extensions of your damage, including medical bills, lost wages, pains, and suffering. Negotiations. They can negotiate with insurance companies to reach a fair settlement on your behalf. Their experience ensures you won't be taken advantage of during this process. Litigations. If a settlement cannot be reached, your attorney will prepare a strong case and represent you in court to fight for your rights. Unique California's law. California has specific law and regulation pertaining to big rig accidents such as comparative fault. California uses a pure comparative fault system, meaning even if you are partially at fault for the accident, you can still recover damage, but they will reduce proportionately. The number second is statute of limitations. You have a limit time to file a personal injury lawsuit, typically 2 years from the date of the accident. The number third is various liability. California laws hold trucking companies responsible for the action of their driver, in some cases making them liable for accidents caused by their employees. Navigating the aftermath of a big rig accident in California can be overwhelming, but hiring an experienced big rig accident attorney is your best chance for a favorable outcome. They will protect your rights, gather evidence, and fight for the compensation you deserve. If you or a loved one has been a victim of big rig accident, don't hesitate to seek legal assistance. Your attorney will be your advocate, guiding you through the legal process and helping you rebuild your life after such a traumatic events.